Hello friends, it's me Urmila Agarwal. Our subject is information technology. Code is 402. So let's continue our topic communication skill. In communication skill, today is our topic writing skill. Our writing skills are an important part of our communication. Uh, Writing skills are very important for a professional success as it is an innovative activity of our mind. In our mind, we have many thoughts, many ideas. We can easily express our ideas or views on a paper with the help of writing skill. An effective writing skill allows to the sender to express his message without any miscommunication or confusion to the receiver. We can choose any kind of the communication form here like in a letter, memo, notice, reports, anything. Your communication can be one to one to many, it can be face to face or telephone conversation. Our writing skills, there are some essential elements are here like in a solid structure. Your message should be clear and concise. What you want to convey your message, it should be clear. Your selection medium is also very important part. If your communication medium, if your medium is wrong, then what will be happen? Your message goes to in a wrong way to receiver, then he goes to mislead or misguide. Our next topic is sentence. What is a sentence? A group of words which gives a complete meaning of the idea, that is known as sentence. It is in a good hospital. In this sentence, we can easily understand the hospital is good, but here services, here staff is also very good. Sentences are four types: assertive, interrogative, imperative, or exclamative sentences. Assertive sentence, also known as declarative sentence. A declarative sentence tells us about something. It ends with a full stop. For example, she is going to market. It's a simple sentence. Interrogative sentence. In this sentence, we can ask a question with the help of helping verb and WH words. These sentences ends with a question mark. For example, where are you going is a kind of interrogative sentence. Our next sentence is exclamative sentence. In this sentence shows strong feelings. These sentences end with the exclamation mark. For example, oh, ouch, hi, well. For example, well done, Ria. Next is imperative sentences. In imperative sentences, we give someone command, order, or request. These sentences end with a full stop or exclamation mark. For example, please give me a water. Please, may I borrow your pen? These are some kind of the requests are here to person. A sentence has two parts, subject or predicate. What is a subject? A subject is the person or thing that doing an action. The main part of sentence is subject. Next, rest of the part of the sentence that is known as a predicate. A predicate is the part that contains the action. For example, Rita eats breakfast every morning. Rita is a main subject is here and the rest of the part eats breakfast every morning is a predicate. We can use another example here. Ram and Sham both are going to play in the garden. So Ram and Sham subject are here and rest all the sentence is known as predicate. Our next topic is speech. Speech has 8 parts are here. First is verb. What is the work of verb? A verb shows an action. It shows an action. For example, she is singing a song. Sing is a verb here. For example, another verbs are here: run, listen, are, sing, eat. Next is interjection. What is the work of the interjection? Interjection shows a strong emotion or reaction. For example, oh, ouch, well done, stop here. These are some kind of the interjection. Next is pronoun. What is the use of a pronoun? A pronoun replaces a noun. It replaces a noun. For example, I, she, we, they, me. These all are pronoun. I will go to the market in the evening. I is a pronoun here. Next is noun. Noun can be a name of a person. It can be things. It can be places. For example, the Taj Mahal is beautiful. The Taj Mahal is beautiful. The Taj Mahal is a noun here. Rita is too pretty. Rita is a noun here. Adjective. Adjective describe a noun or pronoun. It describe a noun or pronoun here. For example, big, small, hot, short, sad, happy, one, two, red, yellow. These all are adjective that is describe a noun or pronoun. She have two pen. The pen is a noun here and two is an adjective is here. Next is adverb. A adverb describe a verb. It describe a verb, an adjective or another adverb. For example, quickly, slowly, today, very. We can choose a sentence here for elaborate our sentence. She runs quickly. To run is a verb here and quickly is an adverb here. Next is conjunction. What is the work of conjunction? A conjunction used to join words, ideas or phrases. What is the work of the conjunction? It joins two or more than words are here. For example, but, so that, and, because. Ravi and Hari both are good friends. Ravi and Hari. And is in a conjunction between the Hari and Ravi. Next is preposition. What is the work of preposition? A preposition shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to another word. What is the work of preposition? It is shows the relation between of a noun or pronoun with another word. For example, at, on, in, from, above, about. These all are known as preposition. Cat jumps on the table. Table is a noun here and on is a preposition here. Our next topic is phrase. What is the work of a phrase? A phrase gives us a hint of sentence. It is a group of idea that just gives some hint and idea to the sender of the message wants to communicate. What you want to communicate easily, that it shows a just idea or hint in that group of words. For example, this chain is made of gold. Of gold is a phrase is here. What is it describe? This chain. This chain is made of gold. Here are 5 different kinds of phrases are here. First is noun phrase. Noun phrase, a group of words that does the function of a noun. For example, a 50 years old man was sitting in the garden. A 50 years old man. A 50 years old is a noun here. Next is adjective. A group of words that does the function of an adjective. For example, this chain is made of gold. Of gold is here a adjective phrase. Next is adverb. Adverb phrase, a group of words that does the function of adverb. For example, here, he lived in Saudi Arabia once upon a time. Once upon a time here is adverb. Next is verbal phrase. A verbal phrase consists of any of three non-finitives, that is participle, gerund and infinitive. For example here, talking long strides, he soon reached there. Taking long strides, he soon reached here. Taking long strides, these are a verbal phrase here. Next is prepositional phrase. A prepositional phrase consists of a preposition. It is an object and modifier of the object. For example, the flower was is on the table. On the table is a prepositional phrase is here. Our next topic is article. Articles are divided into two categories. First is indefinite article. In indefinite articles, we use a and an. It refers to some non-specific or general things. Next is definite article. In definite article, we use the article and it refers to the specific things. For example, the Taj Mahal is the most beautiful monument. The Taj Mahal, we are using here a specific thing, the Taj Mahal. Next example, I am studying for a test. A test कोई भी हो सकता है, it can be any subject, so we are using here a. And an aeroplane. Next topic is about paragraph. A paragraph is a group of sentence dealing with a single topic. Means we are some sentences are using here on a single topic. These sentences with the different lengths or type, these can be simple sentences, compound sentences and complex sentences. What is the difference between the simple, compound and complex sentences? Simple sentences generally having main clauses are here, one or two main clauses. But in compound sentence, here is main clause and some subordinate sentences also there, and complex sentences have main sentence and at the same time two or more than two compound sentences. So we can return any format here. Our information can be actual, it can be fictional information, it can be documented information, it can be fantasy information. These describe a place of character or process, narrative series of events, compare or contrast or two or more things are here. Hope you enjoy and like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Thank you.